Hi everyone, my name is Pamme Lim, and I'm currently in London. When people think of London, the first thing that comes up in their mind are the Big Ben, the Tower of London, the Buckingham Palace, and most of the touristy places. What they fail to experience is the glimpse of a true Londoner. This is why I'm taking you to London's financial district, namely Bank, Liverpool Street, and Canary Wharf. I have many friends who work in these areas, and I was able to find one that can fit lunch with me into his busy schedule. We went to the Net for some poke bowl, a Japanese-Hawaiian hybrid that is light and perfect for a sunny day lunch. The restaurant was packed. Even though we booked in advance, we could barely have enough space. The Net is a new 5-star hotel with 10 restaurants, spa, gym, and a memberships club. It was a transformation of London's former Midland Bank into an upcoming heritage hotel.
And I said to him, what did you say to them? And he said, I said to them that I've taken them here on business, and if we don't get a table in half an hour, I'm going to lose face. It's going to be terrible. See a huge sort of area which we call the underwriting floor, where people go in, present their to be on the outside of the building. So the inside of the building is huge, it's absolutely huge.
Here's the Lloyd's building, and what's special about this is how innovative it was to have the lifts, pipes and everything outside, leaving an uncluttered space inside. The famous Gherkin building. We are now on Liverpool Street, and that's the Tesco supermarket where I used to always shop from. If you walk a bit further, you'll see my old apartment. Welcome to Liverpool Street Station. This was my station, and it does bring back a lot of memories. Inside the Royal Exchange. I'm now going to cross the London Bridge, and on the way we can see the monument. Now at the London Bridge station, heading to Canary Wharf for dinner. We're having Chinese-style lobster and steamed fish tonight. And that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy my favorite part of London. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. See you next time. Bye.